Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make suddenly pasta salad ranch and bacon. First, cook 12 ounces of your favorite pasta, like rotini or shells, according to the package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta well and rinse it thoroughly under cold water. This stops the cooking process and helps prevent the pasta from sticking together. Make sure it's completely cooled before moving to the next step. Next, let's prepare our delicious additions. Cook about 6 slices of bacon until they are wonderfully crispy. Once cooled, crumble the bacon into small pieces. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of your favorite ranch dressing with 2 tablespoons of milk to achieve a smoother consistency. Finally, chop about 1/4 cup of fresh green onions to add a nice, mild onion flavor. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your cooled pasta, the crispy crumbled bacon, and the prepared ranch dressing mixture. Gently toss all the ingredients until the pasta is evenly coated with the creamy dressing. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill the pasta salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. To serve, give your pasta salad a final gentle stir. You can garnish it with a sprinkle of extra chopped green onions or fresh parsley for a pop of color and freshness. This ranch and bacon pasta salad is perfect served chilled as a side dish for barbecues, picnics, or any meal. It's always a crowd pleaser. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.